Hey all, it's Jonathan Pollard from Style Factory here. In this Shopify Starter Plan review, I'm going to spell out all the key pros and cons of the entry-level version of Shopify and help you work out if this version of the platform is right for you. Before I begin though, a quick note about links. If you check the video description, you'll find a link to a special 3-month Shopify trial. This is an affiliate link, meaning that if you buy through it, we'll get a commission. However, this is at no cost to you, and using our affiliate links helps fund educational content like this. So if you do end up using our link to subscribe, thank you so much. I'll start by discussing the reasons you might want to use Shopify Starter, and then I'll move on to the reasons why you might want to think twice about doing so. 1. It's very cheap to use. One of the most compelling reasons for using Shopify Starter is because it's extraordinarily cheap. It costs just $5 per month, yet still gives you tools to create a basic storefront, sell in person at point of sale, and create buy buttons that let you sell your products on existing websites. You won't get this level of functionality from competing platforms at such a low price point. So for users without much of a budget, the Shopify Starter Plan is a very good option. 2. It lets you build a store really quickly. The storefront that the Shopify Starter Plan gives you via its Spotlight theme is very basic in nature and doesn't really let you do much other than list products and accept payment for them. But this simplicity means that you can build a store with the Starter Plan extremely quickly. You just upload your products and logo and you're basically good to go. 3. It's great for social media sellers. A lot of sellers don't bother with a traditional website these days. Their audience hangs out elsewhere. For example, on social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. But those sellers still need a way to accept payments for their products. And a Shopify Starter Plan provides exactly that, in the form of simple payment links that let you sell goods on any online platform. 4. It facilitates point of sale selling. One of the best things about Shopify in general is its point of sale features. These let you accept payment for goods in physical locations, retail stores, market stalls, gig venues, etc., via smartphones and card readers. And helpfully, the Shopify Starter Plan includes the standard version of Shopify's POS system, POS Lite. This gives merchants a super low-cost way to start selling in person. 5. It lets you add e-commerce features to any website. The Shopify Starter Plan lets you add e-commerce to any website easily. This is thanks to the inclusion of its Buy Button feature, which embeds your products on an existing site. To use this, you just add a snippet of Shopify code to the site you'd like the products to appear on. Okay, so those are the key things we really like about the Shopify Starter Plan. Now I'm going to discuss the reasons you might want to give it a miss. But just before that, I wanted to let you know about the Style Factory Store Builder tool, which helps you find the e-commerce platform that's right for you. You answer a few questions about your requirements and the tool gives you a personalized recommendation on which store builder to use. There's a link to the Store Builder Finder in the video description, or just Google Style Factory Store Builder Finder to access it. Let's move on now to the reasons you might want to avoid the Shopify Starter Plan. 1. It doesn't let you build a fully featured online store. Although Shopify Starter technically lets you build an online store, the type of site you can put together with it will not be good enough for professional merchants. In truth, all a Shopify Starter store lets you do is list a few products, accept payment for them, and provide contact details for your customers. You can forget about any meaningful customization options or even the option to add pages to your store. Additionally, a Shopify Starter store doesn't let you organize your products into collections. This makes it harder for shoppers to find what they're looking for on your store or to discover products that they might not have previously considered buying. 2. Its transaction fees are very high. When you use the Starter Plan, Shopify takes a 5% cut of your sales. This amounts to a very high transaction fee. But with the other Shopify plans, so long as you're using Shopify Payments, Shopify's own payment processing tool, you can avoid transaction fees entirely. So if you're selling a lot of products, a different Shopify plan will usually work out cheaper in the long run than the starter one. 3. It's not great for content marketing or SEO. The Shopify Starter Plan doesn't let you blog or add pages to your store, and this severely curtails your ability to perform content marketing or search engine optimization. So if you're planning on making organic traffic a key part of your marketing efforts, you're much better off with one of the other Shopify plans. 4. It doesn't let you use all of Shopify's apps. There is a huge range of apps available in Shopify's App Store, over 16,000 in fact. These let you extend the functionality of your store in all sorts of interesting ways. Although you can install some of these on a starter store, many won't work with this version of Shopify. Okay, let's wrap things up with a quick verdict. Shopify Starter Plan is a great option for merchants who don't need a website and are happy to sell via product links or in person. It also lets you build a simple store quickly and easily. However, if you're serious about creating a truly professional, customizable standalone store, I would look in the direction of one of the other Shopify plans. If you're interested in doing that, please do check out the description where you'll find a link to a special 3-month trial for any of these. Please note that this offer may be around for a limited time only though. Before you go, please do take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notifications bell. This helps us out and gives you free access to all our e-commerce tips and reviews. And finally, if you have any queries at all about Shopify, do leave them in the comments. We read them all and will do our best to help.